everyone. Warm welcome from Gadgets Organization Mumbai and myself Harshal Joshi. Today I am here to introduce you to the new topic that is actually different from your regular curriculum. Now what is that topic? See, this is the opportunity provided by your school to us so that we can introduce you to the something new that we can have apart from your regular curriculum. And that topic is actually robotics. Now what is exactly robotics and what we are going to have? See, we are conducting national level junior robotic talent every year in Mumbai. So here this time we are having your school as a zonal level center, and you students are getting this opportunity to get participated in this national level championship. Now basically what we are going to have in that championship and what we are going to do in these 2 days. We are having this workshop in which you must have played with different types of robots like wired robots, wireless robots, and simply I can say that wireless cars and wired cars. You must have seen some sort of automated robots in sci-fi movies and different channels, right? So here we are going to have these type of robots in our workshop which we are going to teach you. Now for that, what you have to do is basically you just have to register yourself to your respective school teachers, and accordingly you just have to pay a nominal fees. Now let us check what we are going to get out of this workshop. First of all, the kit. So this is the kit that we are going to have in our workshop. Okay, so now here you can see that there are different types of materials available. Some of the electronic circuits are there, but now what is the use of these circuits? So let us check first of all what are the materials we are having, and then we'll proceed forward that how these robots will be made and how they will be working. Let's check that. So these are some materials. Now you might be thinking that what is this material and what we are going to do with that. Okay, so I'll just show you the idea like what we are going to have out of this kit. I'll show you the robots that we are going to make in these 2 days and how we'll be generating different types of conditions on them. Okay, so first of all I'll just show you the robot that we are going to make. So this is the robot that we are going to make in these 2 days. Now you must have played with this type of remote control cars where you are actually controlling it using this remote in your hand. So just check out how it is working. So can you check that? This is how your wired robot is working. I guess you might have played with this type of cars, but have you ever tried making one? Not yet. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to make one robot which will be actually handled by yourself. Okay, so this is our first application that we are going to make, that is your wired robot. Okay, now after this, let us check what else we can have out of this kit. Okay. So this is the second application we are going to have. Now what is this application? You might be watching some of the LEDs are glowing over here, and here I am having one remote in my hand. Last time we have shown you the one robot which was directly connected to this remote. Now this time we are going to have something different. Now what's that different? Here we are going to make one wireless robot, or we can say simply a wireless car. You might have played one with, right? So this time we'll be checking out how it is working. So this is how your wireless robot works. Now, if I say you that I am going to teach you how to make this robot working, then will you join me? Yeah, exactly. So for that you need to do a single work, that is, you just have to register yourself to your respective class teachers. Okay, now for that we'll be providing you the registration details, everything in this video after my outputs. Okay, so now the third robot that I said, that is, we must have seen different types of automated robots in sci-fi movies, or obviously in some sort of channels where you might be finding out some robots available, right? Here we are going to make one automated robot, the robot which will be following a line automatically, which will be following a black line depending upon the sensors that we are going to implement on it. The light sensors will be doing their work, and the robot will be giving you the particular output in which you'll be making some sort of path, and the robot will follow that path. Now how that robot will be working, that we'll check, but before that let's check how that robot will be looking like. Okay, so this is the robot which will be working as a line follower robot. Now what is the difference between this and that robot? See, the structure of the robot is similar, but here there are some sensors attached on it, and that sensors are doing their work appropriately in such a way that it is actually detecting the color. Now how it is happening and how that robot is working, let's check that. So till now you must have seen different types of robots, how they are working. So let me tell you one thing, these are the only 3 applications I have shown to you. Now here onwards I'll assure you that we are going to teach you total 6 robots out of this kit, and for that you have to just register to your respective class teachers with some nominal fees. Now what are the extra benefits you will be getting out of it? The first benefit is every participant will be getting one participation certificate for junior robotic talent. To the second benefit is that after every workshop we are going to have small zonal level championship competition in your school. Now what is that competition? Whatever we are going to teach you in these 2 days, that will be asked you as a task in your competition. Obviously, the winner of that competition will be termed as a zonal level winners of junior robotic talent, and they will be representing your school directly in the junior robotic talent national finale every year that is held in Mumbai. So for every zonal level winner we will be providing separate certifications, as well as the kits can be purchased directly from us at any instant for your betterment. So these are the benefits, and these are the robots that we are going to have in this workshop. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and you must be excited to join us. So for that, just ask your parents to register yourself. Okay, and one more part, if you need any help, you can just check it out, the next slides coming out there, and in that we are providing you all the details. In case of any query, you can directly contact any of the school authorities directly, as well as you can directly contact us on the given phone numbers and email IDs. So thank you so much guys, thank you for listening to me. This is Harshal Joshi.